Hey everyone, today we're looking into Cash Rain's Scratch Cards, a mobile app that claims you can win rewards just by scratching cards. But is it the real deal or just another game full of ads and empty promises? Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. Cash Rain Scratch Cards is a free Android app with over 50,000 downloads. You play by scratching virtual cards to collect coins or points. It's simple and colorful, clearly made for casual fun. But here's the thing, there's no Trustpilot rating for the app and no solid proof that users are actually getting paid. Most people say the game is relaxing, but there are no verified payouts or real reviews confirming that you can cash out or earn real money. The app doesn't clearly explain how you and or when you can cash out, which is a bit of a red flag. Like many similar apps, it seems to focus more on showing ads than actually paying users. Cash Rain doesn't look like a scam, but it also doesn't seem to deliver on its promises of real cash rewards. If you're playing just for fun, go ahead, but if you're hoping to make money, you're likely going to be disappointed. Try the app yourself. Let us know if you actually got paid, and if you found this review helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more honest takes.